Guys, this is what dinner in business class looks like. So the first thing I'm gonna try is the salad. Just get some leafy greens. Not bad. I rate it a 7 out of 10. Now time to try this. Time to try these prawns. What's this? Is this butter or cheese? Oh well. Well, let's find out. Look at what this is. Well, it's tasty. 9. Now the bread. It looks like Minecraft's bread. Nom, 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 nom. Oh my gosh, this is so fluffy and so nice. 10. Now I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my meal. Bye. And now for the main course. This thing is so tasty. Sorry for the waste, just it felt a bit oceanic. But look, for dessert I got seasonal fruits. This should be watermelon. Bye bye. This was nice. Then here's the pineapple. And this should be the papaya. Oh, soft. All of it is so nice. Now time to have the strawberry. Sour sweet. This vlog on the airplane is so good so far. So far so good.